The Lunar Gateway is poised to become a groundbreaking milestone in humanity's journey beyond Earth, acting as a vital part of NASA's Artemis program. This future space station will orbit the Moon and serve multiple critical functions, operating as a communication hub, a science laboratory, and a temporary living space for astronauts. Designed to support long-term lunar exploration and serve as a staging point for eventual missions to Mars, the Gateway represents an ambitious leap in international cooperation and space infrastructure. Unlike the Earth-orbiting International Space Station, the Lunar Gateway will provide proximity to the Moon, offering easier access for lunar landers and a platform for deeper space operations. This initiative is not just an American venture. It is a global collaboration that includes NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, Japan's Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, the Canadian Space Agency, CSA, and the Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center, MBRSC, from the UAE. These agencies are combining their technical expertise and resources to create a station that can sustain human presence far from Earth. The first modules are expected to launch by 2027, signifying a major step toward the future of space exploration. By acting as both a science outpost and a logistics base, the Lunar Gateway will help scientists conduct experiments in deep space conditions, improve life support technologies, and test systems for future Mars missions. Its strategic importance lies not just in what it will do, but in what it represents. A permanent human foothold in deep space, preparing us for the next era of interplanetary exploration. Hassel and EOC, led by Leo Callahan, collaborated to develop an innovative habitat design for NASA's 3D printed habitat challenge. Their concept uses autonomous robots to construct a durable shell from Martian regolith, providing vital protection against radiation and micrometeorites. Inside this protective shell, inflatable pods create a comfortable, human-centered environment where astronauts can live and work, supporting their well-being and productivity on Mars. This visionary design, shortlisted among the top 10 entries, showcases a sustainable approach to long-term living on the Red Planet. It highlights exciting advancements in space architecture and technology, pointing toward the future of space habitation and inspiring new ideas for making Mars missions safer and more livable for astronauts. Relativity Space and Impulse Space have teamed up to launch the first commercial mission to Mars, scheduled for 2026. This groundbreaking mission will employ Relativity's fully reusable Terran R rocket to deliver Impulse's Mars cruise vehicle and Mars lander to the Red Planet. The goal is to establish a consistent supply chain to Mars, with launches planned every 26 months, supporting ongoing research and development for humanity's future as a multiplanetary species. This partnership represents a major milestone in making space travel more affordable and sustainable, opening up exciting new possibilities for scientific exploration and commercial ventures on Mars. Polaris Dawn, a groundbreaking private spaceflight launched by SpaceX, took off on September 10, 2024, marking a historic milestone in commercial space exploration. Commanded by billionaire entrepreneur and astronaut Jared Isaacman, the mission aimed to push the boundaries of human spaceflight while conducting important scientific research. Accompanied by crew members Scott Petit, Sarah Gillis, and Anna Menon, the team ascended to a record-breaking altitude of 1,400 kilometers, or about 870 miles, making it the highest orbit ever achieved by a crewed spacecraft in history. This mission was not just a feat of altitude, it was also packed with technological firsts and scientific significance. The Polaris Dawn crew performed the first-ever commercial spacewalk, utilizing new-generation SpaceX-designed EVA suits that could shape the future of extravehicular activities in space. Throughout the nearly 5-day mission, the team conducted in-depth studies focused on the effects of cosmic radiation and microgravity on human physiology, research that is crucial for the viability of long-duration space missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Another major advancement tested during the mission was Starlink's laser-based communication system, which promises to deliver faster, more stable data transmission between spacecraft and Earth. This has broad implications for space connectivity in future missions and satellite networks. After successfully completing their objectives, the Polaris Dawn crew returned safely, splashing down in the Gulf of Mexico on September 15, 2024. The mission not only demonstrated human capability at new heights, but also underscored SpaceX's growing role in commercial spaceflight, paving the way for more ambitious private missions and expanded opportunities for space science and exploration. SpaceX's Starship is poised to revolutionize the future of space exploration and redefine what's possible for interplanetary travel. With its towering height of 121 meters and a diameter of 9 meters, Starship is the largest and most powerful spacecraft ever built. It features a 2-stage system powered by an incredible 33 Raptor engines in its Super Heavy booster and 6 Raptor engines on the spacecraft itself. This fully reusable design is at the heart of SpaceX's mission to dramatically lower the cost of space access and make space travel as routine as air travel. What truly sets Starship apart is its massive payload capacity and versatility. It's designed to carry up to 100 people, making it ideal for a wide range of missions. Whether it's transporting cargo and crew to low Earth orbit, deploying satellites, building infrastructure on the Moon, or even launching crewed missions to Mars and beyond. Its ability to support long-duration interplanetary flights makes it a critical component in plans to colonize Mars and establish a permanent human presence in space. Beyond space, Starship's capabilities also include the potential for ultra-fast Earth-to-Earth transport, allowing passengers to travel across the planet in under an hour. With its first orbital flight expected in late 2024, this next-generation spacecraft is a bold step toward a future where space is not just the final frontier, but a reachable destination for scientific advancement, exploration, and even commercial enterprise. Starship embodies SpaceX's vision of a multi-planetary future, offering a glimpse of what the next chapter of humanity's journey into the cosmos could look like. The Sierra Space Dream Chaser is a revolutionary reusable spaceplane designed to transport both crew and cargo to low Earth orbit. As the only commercial spaceplane capable of runway landings, Dream Chaser offers unparalleled flexibility and quick turnaround times, making it a game-changer in space transportation. Selected by NASA for cargo resupply missions to the International Space Station, it can carry up to 5,000 kilograms, 11,000 pounds of pressurized cargo, and 500 kilograms, 1,100 pounds of unpressurized cargo. Inspired by NASA's HL-20 concept, Dream Chaser aims to broaden access to space for a wide range of domestic and international customers. This innovative spacecraft marks a significant leap forward in the advancement of space transportation technology, offering reliable, efficient, and reusable solutions for the future of space missions. Spin Launch is transforming space travel with its groundbreaking ground-based kinetic launch system. Unlike traditional rockets that consume massive amounts of fuel, Spin Launch employs a giant centrifuge to rapidly spin and accelerate payloads to extremely high speeds before releasing them on a trajectory towards low Earth orbit. This revolutionary approach drastically reduces launch costs and significantly lowers the environmental impact typically caused by conventional rocket launches. Having successfully completed suborbital test flights, Spin Launch is now on course to begin deploying small satellites into orbit as early as 2026. This innovative method promises to revolutionize access to space by making it more affordable, efficient, and eco-friendly, marking a major leap forward in sustainable space exploration. Biopods, developed by Interstellar Lab, represent a groundbreaking leap in sustainable space agriculture, especially geared toward future missions to Mars. These inflatable greenhouse modules are designed to function autonomously, making them an ideal solution for extraterrestrial farming in the harsh Martian environment. Using advanced aeroponics, a method of growing plants without soil, combined with intelligent climate control systems, biopods create the perfect conditions for plant growth despite Mars's unforgiving terrain and atmosphere. One of the most critical features of the biopods is their ability to recycle water and nutrients efficiently, ensuring a closed-loop agricultural ecosystem that supports sustainable food production. This is essential not only for reducing resupply emissions from Earth, but also for allowing Mars colonizers to grow their own fresh food and develop truly self-sufficient habitats. The transparent membrane of the dome filters sunlight to nourish plants, while liquid nutrient sprays provide custom nutrition tailored to the specific crops being cultivated. What sets biopods apart is the integration of AI-powered management systems. These algorithms constantly monitor internal conditions, adjusting factors such as temperature, humidity, and nutrient delivery to optimize plant health and yield. With this level of automation and efficiency, biopods will be a foundational technology for long-term space habitation. This innovation is more than just a greenhouse. It's a vital component in the quest to make human life sustainable on Mars. By enabling astronauts and future colonizers to grow food on site, biopods help reduce dependency on Earth-based supplies and move us one step closer to permanent life on another planet. Samsung's biometric card IC is a revolutionary step forward in making everyday financial transactions both safer and more convenient by integrating fingerprint authentication directly into payment cards. This all-in-one security solution transforms the traditional payment experience, eliminating the need for PINs or signatures by verifying the cardholder's identity instantly and securely through their fingerprint. By embedding this advanced biometric chip, Samsung offers a seamless way to prevent fraud and unauthorized use, addressing one of the most critical challenges in today's fast-evolving payment landscape. Recognized with the prestigious CES 2023 Best of Innovation Award in the Cybersecurity and Personal Privacy category, this technology is gaining significant attention for its potential to reshape how people interact with their money. By combining state-of-the-art biometric security with the convenience of a contactless card, it promises a future where payments are not only faster, but also protected by a unique personal identifier that's nearly impossible to replicate or steal. This breakthrough goes beyond just enhancing security. It's about improving the entire user experience. No longer will consumers have to worry about remembering complicated PINs or worrying about stolen cards being misused. Instead, a simple fingerprint touch provides instant verification, making transactions effortless and far more secure. This innovation could become the new standard for payment cards worldwide, making day-to-day purchases smoother and far less vulnerable to cybercrime, ultimately giving people more confidence and peace of mind when handling their finances. Vast Haven 1 is poised to become the world's first commercial space station, with a planned launch set for 2025. This innovative orbital facility is designed to offer a luxurious, hotel-like experience in space, catering both to private astronauts and government missions. The station features a human-centric design that prioritizes comfort and usability, including personal crew quarters to ensure privacy and rest, as well as a spectacular 1.1-meter diameter dome window that offers breathtaking panoramic views of Earth and space. Inside Haven 1, occupants will find deployable communal tables, fostering social interaction and collaboration among the crew in its spacious 45 cubic meter habitable volume. The station is also equipped with cutting-edge technology, such as SpaceX's Starlink system, providing high-speed internet access essential for communication, scientific research, and operational efficiency. This makes Haven 1 an ideal platform for a variety of activities, including space manufacturing, scientific experiments, and tourism ventures. This commercial space station represents a major leap forward in the commercialization of low Earth orbit, blending comfort with functionality in an environment that supports a crew of 4. By providing both a unique living experience and an operational base, Vast Haven 1 is set to redefine the future of human habitation in space and expand the possibilities of space travel beyond traditional boundaries. The Deep Space Cruiser is a cutting-edge spaceplane designed to advance research in lunar, transatmospheric, and endoatmospheric flight. This innovative vehicle is built for maximum efficiency and cost-effectiveness, and it carries a single crew member in an unpressurized cabin. Its primary mission is to support vital manned and unmanned space research, focusing on the study of both internal and external payloads. The Deep Space Cruiser plays a crucial role in supporting various space missions, including those involving space shuttles, space stations, and other space structures. By pushing the limits of current aerospace technology, it paves the way for future advancements in space exploration and scientific discovery.